This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the movie candy bar wrapper. So I've got all of the pieces laid out here. This is our base piece, and we just want to fold it on the score lines. And you can see here that this side is shorter than this side. So this is a side that is the top. And I'm just going to go ahead and layer these two pieces. And there's just a slight border all the way around, so just kind of eyeball that. And the same for here. Should be about the same width border all the way around. And then our belly band, you just want to layer and then this is going to go right on there, and I'm going to use some foam tape for that. I have to grab a pair of scissors. Okay. So I'm currently out of the squares I usually use, so I'm having to use some of this foam tape. Now there is a background star for this one, just to help if you wanted to like pop this up, you've got a little bit of, you have a little bit more to work with having the base star here. I have to cut this again. There we are. And then there is a slight border around all these stars, so you just have to take a minute and find where each of them belong. They are all different sizes. There we are. And then you have your base here. So you want to use a fine tip glue bottle or something to not put too much glue. And I just want to make sure I hit all of the strips because I don't want anything catching when you slide the belly band off and on. So I am making sure that all the little pieces are going to be glued down. And then this just lines up perfectly. It fits exactly on this. It's your film. And then this goes right here in the center. And then you would fit your belly band. So you don't want to make this too tight. Just because you want it to be able to slide off and on. So hold this just for a second. Slide it off. There we are. And that is the movie candy bar wrapper. Thank you for joining me.